Hello sister.
Hi, Singh.
Do you know about tenses?
Don't you know? Let's know about tenses. The past is then, the present is now, the future is later. The past is then, the present is now, the future is later. Tenses indicates the time of an action or an event. Here are three forms of tenses. First one is present tense. For example, I go to the market. Second one is past tense. For example, I went to the market yesterday. Third one is future tense. For example, I will go to the market tomorrow. So today we will discuss about present tense. There are further 4 types of present tense. Present indefinite, we can say simple present, present perfect, present continuous and present perfect continuous. So let's see.
Hello everyone, I am a simple present tense. The rule of simple present tense is V1 plus S or ES. Interrogative and negative tenses we use do and does. Let's do some examples. He plays cricket. He does not play cricket. Does he play cricket? Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I'm present continuous tense. To talk about the action that is happening right now. Example, I'm drinking a cup of coffee at the moment. I'm speaking right now. Present continuous tense. It is the present continuous tense, also called the present progressive. It is a verb form used in the modern English that combines the present tense with the continuous accept. It can be employed in both the indicative and the subjunctive modes. Approximately 5% of verbs in the spoken English are in the present continuous tense form. Now, what is the structure behind the present continuous tense? Subject plus SMR plus verb first form plus ing plus object. And this am is used with I only and are is used with they, we, etc. which are plural subjects. And the next is which is used with he, she, it, which are the singular subjects. Now just take an example of a book. I'm reading a book and it is the affirmative sentence because it is the subject. There is a subject in it. I'm not reading a book. And this, the not was present here. So it is a negative sentence. Am I reading a book? Am I reading book? It is interrogative sentence because in this we are asking a question. And the subject was after the ismr. So it will be the interrogative sentence. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I am present perfect tense. Rules and regulation of point perfect tense is has, have plus verb third form. Has for singular subject, have for plural subject. Let's have some example. She has lived all her life. He has finished the homework. We have forgotten her folder. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I am present perfect continuous rule. Has, have, plus been plus verb to first form plus ing. Example 2. He has been reading, writing articles on different topics. Since morning, they have been playing football on a hard has we been reading the book of 2 hours. Thank you.